In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a trending editing style using Capcut Desktop. The goal here is to create a clean, fast-paced, polished video that feels consistent from beginning to end. A lot of trending edits stand out not because they use complicated effects, but because every element feels like it belongs together. That means your pacing, colors, text, transitions, and audio should all follow the same style. Start by opening the Capcut desktop app and creating a new project. This gives you a fresh workspace where you can build your edit from scratch and keep everything organized. Next, import all the video clips you want to edit. It's a good idea to bring everything in first so you can see all your options in one place and work more efficiently without stopping to search for files later. Once your clips are imported, add them to the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Don't worry about making everything perfect right away. At this stage, you're mainly building the rough structure of the video. After that, trim away any unnecessary parts to keep the video fast-paced. Trending edits usually feel energetic and intentional, so remove pauses, repeated moments, or anything that slows the momentum. Tight cuts can make a big difference in how professional the final video feels. Now apply the same filter or color adjustment to every clip. This is one of the easiest ways to create a consistent visual identity. Even if your clips were recorded at different times or in different lighting, matching the overall tone helps everything feel connected. Then add smooth transitions between scenes, such as simple blur or black fade. Keep your transitions subtle and consistent. The idea is to support the flow of the edit, not distract from it. Next, add text using the same font, size, and color throughout the video. Consistency in your text design makes the video look more intentional and easier to follow. It also helps build that recognizable trending style. You'll also want to use the same animation style for your text and media. If one title slides in, try to keep the rest using that same motion style. Repeating visual patterns makes the edit feel cohesive. Now add background music that matches the mood of your video. The music should support the energy of the edit, whether that's upbeat, dramatic, or smooth. Once it's in place, adjust the audio volume so the music doesn't overpower your clips. You want it to enhance the video, not compete with it. Finally, preview the entire project and watch for anything that feels off. Make your final adjustments so the whole video has a consistent look and flow, then export it in your preferred resolution. And that's how you create a trending editing style in Capcut Desktop.